Ready to level up your tennis game in 2025? Today, we're spotlighting 5 of the top performing tennis rackets that deliver power, precision, and playability straight out of the box. Let's find your perfect match. The Yonex EZONE 100L 285 grams 2022 is a lightweight yet powerful racket designed for intermediate players who want a blend of comfort, spin, and control. With its 100 square-inch isometric head and 285 grams unstrung weight, it offers a generous sweet spot and easy maneuverability. Technologies like 2G name speed graphite and vibration dampening mesh reduce harsh vibrations and improve feel, while the convex shaft design adds stability on off-center hits. It's a great choice for all court players looking for a responsive and arm-friendly frame. Check the description for the link. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 5x9 is built for players who crave precision and feel. With a 98 square-inch head and 305 grams unstrung weight, it's ideal for aggressive baseliners and advanced players. The frame features stable field technology for enhanced torsional stability, 45-degree layup for improved flexibility, and a direct connect carbon fiber handle for a more connected to the ball feel. Its emerald matte finish adds a sleek modern touch to a racket that's all about control and responsiveness. Check the description for the link. The Headspeed MP 2022 is a versatile racket for fast-paced players who thrive on quick exchanges. Weighing 300 grams unstrung with a 100 square-inch head, it balances power and spin beautifully. The auxetic construction and graphene inside technology deliver excellent energy transfer and a sensational feel. Its aerodynamic speed beam design enhances swing speed, making it perfect for intermediate to advanced players who want a racket that keeps up with their dynamic game. Check the description for the link. The Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd generation is a spin-heavy beast inspired by Rafael Nadal's playing style. With a 290-gram unstrung weight and head-heavy balance, it's engineered for explosive topspin and depth. Air modular frame design and FSI spin technology maximize racket head speed and ball bite, while the woofer system and carbon PLY stabilizer improve feel and control. It's ideal for aggressive baseliners who want to dominate rallies and push opponents deep. Check the description for the link. The Babolat Pure Drive 110 is a power-packed option for players who want forgiveness and pop in a lightweight frame. With a 110 square-inch head and 265 grams unstrung weight, it's perfect for beginners and intermediate players seeking easy depth and comfort. The elliptical geometry and FSI power tech enhance energy return and sweet spot size, while the Sin Gut stringing adds a balanced blend of control and power. Great for doubles, casual play, or anyone wanting effortless performance. Check the description for the link. So which racket speaks your style? Whether it's the finesse of the Wilson Blade or the explosive spin of the Pure Aero Rafa, each one brings its own edge to the court. Hit the description for product links, and don't forget to like, share, and follow for more gear guides and performance breakdowns. Game on!